Hey everyone, this is Ben. In Vue.js, sometimes we need to access some methods in all components without the need to import or define them every time. To achieve this, we can easily use plugins. Let's see how we can create and install them. Let's do it. Here is a new Vue.js app. Let's create a simple method that returns a string. And use it here. Okay. But if we want to use it in another component, it gives us an error because it is not defined here. But we can go to main.js and install the method as a plugin in our app. In use method, just create an object and put the install method in it. And app.config.globalProperties dot $sign and the method name. And the content of the method. And now we can use it in all components. And we don't need this anymore. We have access to global methods in each component. This is for the hello world component. And there is no method here. Actually, we have now created and installed our first Vue.js plugin. Let's go to Vue.js.org to see about this. Well, that's all. Let's make a more interesting plugin that generates random numbers. Just copy these. Let's find a JavaScript function to generate random numbers. This one is good. Another use. And it's okay. Let's use it. Alright. We can use it as many times as we want. And we can also use it in data or methods. But here we have to add the this. And here is the random number from the data. Let's make a plugin to generate random strings. But now I want to create it in another file. and here must export it. If you are not familiar with export and import, there is a video about it on this channel. You can watch it. Just copy this. Let's find a JavaScript function to generate random string. Okay, we can use this. And here we must import it. And another use. Okay, let's check it. We can also add options to our plugin. We can add options here. And here we can pass our options. Okay, just create an object. I want a prefix for random string. And here get it. And we can also use plugins as simple variables or objects. And the link of this stack blitz is in the caption of this video.